Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to move files on Oppo Reno12 F. Firstly, open up the My Files app. Go into Photos and choose the location I would like to move the pictures from or files. I'm going to choose Photos and I'm going to move them into Downloads. So let's choose this picture, let's say, and this one. Now tap on Move here at the bottom and choose Download. Okay, tap on Move here. Now if I go into Downloads, as you can see, here are these two files that I have just moved. And that is going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have more questions, please let us know in the comments.